I'm Ramesh. I'm a technical graduate in 98. From 98 to 2005, I have worked in IBM, GE, Siemens and Wipro. In 2005, I started Lara Technologies. From 2005 till 2022, 17 years, I am only the technical faculty for all the batches, for all the skills. I have taken close to 177 batches, more than 55,000 students undergone the training. Most of the people got placed in various companies. My students are working in across the globe in different companies. In the product-based companies, in the service-based companies, even the top mid-range companies, my students are working. Most of my students started their own companies. Coming to technologies, there are several technologies in the industry. From 2005 onwards till now, we are traveling only in the Java full stack, only programming, only coding. Most of the job seekers looking for a job immediately without worrying about type of the technologies, without worrying about how much they know in a particular technologies. Some students are going into the testing side, some students going into the networking side, some people are going to the web page designing. So those are not very good in the future. Salary hike or promotions or changing from one company to another company definitely required programming, the coding. So for the past 30-35 years, Java technologies all over in the world using in various projects. If you are very strong in the Java full stack, then definitely companies will be running behind you to hire, no matter of year of pass out or percentages or branches. We have proved like placing any year of pass out, placing any percentage of the students, placing any kind of education, any branches also we have able to place it. Generally, in other institutes, there will be 2 to 3 hours classes. Then students has to practice in the lab by themselves, or they can go to the PG and they can practice maybe 3 to 5 hours or even 6-7 hours also. But in Lara, students has to come by morning 8:30. They should stay back till to evening 8:30. Total 12 hours they have to be here. In these 12 hours, we will be taking 5 to 6 hours classes, 1 hour aptitude, 1 hour reasoning, 1 hour soft skills, 2 to 3 hours technical classes. Apart from this, remaining 5 to 6 hours, they should practice in the Lara premises itself. Whenever they are getting a doubts, they can able to reach us. We will be clarifying whatever small doubts they have. In front of us, we are making them to practice the complete covered content. The duration will be 6 months, no holidays. We will be working in the Sundays also. We will be working in the holidays also. 6 months total dedication very much required. Our course content containing 20 skills right from the core Java basics onwards till to the most advanced Spring microservices and real-time tools, whatever is used in the industry to develop a project. In order to finish off all these 20 technologies right from the scratch, definitely students required more and more dedication, definitely required a minimum 6 months duration. In this 6 months, not only developing 20 technologies, we are also developing one real-time project. With the project only, we will be finishing our training. Altogether, 20 technologies and real-time project. After real-time project only, placement will be starting. Generally, in other institutes, they'll start the placements after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. But here, 6 months total dedication. We will not be sending to any companies in this 6 months. Total learning right from the scratch. Even 10th standard student also can able to understand every technology starting right from the scratch, and also developing a real-time project by using Spring Boot and Angular. You will come to know each and every real-time tool whichever using in the companies. After finishing 6 months, you will be very equal to minimum 3 to 4 years experienced person knowledge. In the industry, whoever working for 3 to 4 years, whatever knowledge they gained, same knowledge you will be gaining here within 6 months. After 6 months only, we will start the placements. Definitely, companies will be very happy because of not only having a technologies, you also having a real-time development. Most of the students are thinking like, I know core Java, I know SQL, I know some extent. That will not be sufficient. In the core Java itself, minimum 5,000 programs we are developing. In case of logical coding, data structures, algorithms, thousands together programs we are developing. We are making a common student, a student who is not from non-computer science background student, we are making that student itself an extraordinary in the software. So for that purpose, definitely 6 months required. After 6 months only, we are starting a placement. The placement, initially, we will be looking for the companies which are paying more than 12 lakhs. If student is not able to place in those companies, then we will be looking for the companies which are paying more than 8 lakhs. Most of the students should get placed with a minimum 8 lakhs package. We have a totally 560 companies. In these 560 companies, 103 companies are paying more than 8 lakhs. Every company will be having a requirement always. Whenever batch is releasing, I will be sending to all these 103 companies. We are guaranteeing minimum 50 company drives for every student. Student isn't required more than 5 to 6 companies because of he gained lot of technologies, especially logical coding, data structures and algorithms. Not only the technologies, he also developed a real-time project. With all these things, no student required more than 5 to 6 companies. Within 5 to 6 companies, students will be getting placed. So here, every topic, there is a predefined test. As soon as topic is getting over, they should write the test. Not only this, every weekend, every Sunday, there will be tests in all the areas, like test in the aptitude, test in the reasoning, test in the soft skills, test in the technical. We are requesting all the students to score minimum 80% in all the tests. If student is scoring minimum 80%, definitely he can able to place in the product-based companies. Placement is not a difficult, only understanding the importance of the subject. Most of the students simply looking for a job. If you are really wanted to come and learn Java in Lara Technologies, definitely you should have a more and more patience. Daily 12 hours you have to stay back in Lara, and you should have a minimum 6 months dedication, no holidays, every week writing an exam and trying to score more than 80%. That is highly sufficient. Don't bother about year of pass out, don't bother about branches or percentages. Even 10 to 15 years of educational gap, like the people who passed out in the early 2010, so like a 2011 or 2012, 13, those people also got placed as a fresher, not fake experience. As a fresher, we are able to place. Most of the people in across the India, after finishing the graduation, they might have got settled in the nearby in different fields. For them, my sincere advice is just to come down to Bangalore, spend for 6 months, 200% you will be in the industry, that too in the development. Within 3-4 years, there is a chance of crossing your salary more than 20 lakhs. Some of my students, within 1.5 years, they are telling like their salary crossed 20 lakhs. Our content is very vast. If student is going through complete our content, definitely any product based company will come forward with high packages. So my advice to all the people, if you are very sincere towards to your life, then come down. We are here within 6 months, but don't expect within 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. Definitely 6 months required. In the 7th month, every day you will be going to one company. Till you get placed, you will be with us only. Keep on attending the interviews. We can guarantee minimum 8 lakhs package, no matter of when you passed out, no matter of branches or percentages. Don't keep thinking like I'm a slow learner. Don't keep thinking like I'm a poor in the programming. Everybody learning everything over here. Even BA students also learning and able to get placed. Thank you very much. If you are really serious in your life, if you really want to go to the higher heights through your effort, then we are here. Come down by spending for 6 months. After 6 months, 200% you will be in the industry. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.